1. Raspberries. A cup of raspberries provides a whopping 8 grams of fiber. That's more than double what's in a cup of strawberries and about the same amount in 1 cup of some types of beans. What's so great about fiber? Recent research in the Journal of Nutrition suggests eating more fiber as a way to prevent weight gain or even promote weight loss. Over the course of a 2-year study, researchers found that increasing fiber by 8 grams for every 1,000 calories resulted in about 4.5 pounds of weight loss. 2. Oatmeal. Does oatmeal help you lose weight? It certainly can. Oatmeal can help you lose weight in 2 ways. First, it's loaded with fiber and will keep you fuller for longer. Second, a 2016 study found that eating a breakfast made with slow-release carbohydrates like oatmeal or bran 3 hours before exercise can help you burn more fat. How? Eating slow-release carbs won't raise your blood sugar as high as eating refined carbs. Think white toast. On the other hand, insulin levels don't rise as high. Because insulin plays a role in signaling your body to store fat, lower blood sugar can help you burn fat. 3. Yogurt. A recent report published in the New England Journal of Medicine revealed which foods correlate with weight change, including the top 5 foods that promote weight loss. Yogurt was one of them. Another reason to eat yogurt: the protein in it can give you an extra edge if you want to slim down. Protein is naturally satiating and takes longer to digest than simple carbohydrates. When people drank the whey protein drink, they lost about 4 pounds more and about an inch more from their waists over 6 months, and felt less hungry than those who got the carbohydrate shake. Protein, including whey protein, which is naturally found in yogurt and other dairy products, fills you up and takes longer to digest than simple carbohydrates. Save calories and added sugar by choosing plain yogurt. Add fresh fruit for sweetness. 4. Peanut butter. Nuts are also full of protein and fiber, which help you stay fuller longer and promote weight loss. That's probably because peanut butter and all nuts and nut butters provide a good dose of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all satisfying nutrients. Nuts used to get a bad reputation because of their high calorie and fat content. And while nuts and nut butters are high in calories, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter has just under 200 calories. 7 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. It's also nutrient dense and will help you create a satisfying breakfast.